Good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Very good. Okay. So now the session is for that waste to waste. Waste means what? We don't use that materials. Okay, that is waste. Okay. Why should we remove all the waste materials? Otherwise, what will happen in the environment?
Sir, it will affect our environment.
Very good. It will affect our environment. Okay. Very good. Okay. How will very good, very good. So we classify it into three categories: biodegradable, non-biodegradable waste. Very good. Okay. Now we'll see one by one. Okay. Okay. What do you understand the term biodegradable?
Sir, it easily decompose.
Easily decompose. Okay. Here easily decomposed. Which microorganism plays a vital role for biodegradable?
Fungi and
Very good. All right, clap for this. Bacteria and fungi to decompose all the dead plants and animals. My dear students, listen to me. Anyone take, okay, both plants and animals fall in the soil. Anyone take, okay, that dead plants and animals are decomposed by bacteria and fungi. The term is called saprotroph. So you know what are we using three categories: autotroph, heterotroph, then saprotroph. Saprotroph means the bacteria and fungi decompose. That means decaying the dead organisms. Dead plants and animals. It is very useful for another plant's growth and development. Okay. My dear students, here listen to me. Three colors of dustbins are there. Okay. That green color dustbins. Green color dustbin, which indicate biodegradable. Okay, so wherever you see the waste materials, okay, for example, paper, dead plants and animals, okay, human waste, you should put inside the dustbin. Which color dustbin? Green color. So this green color dustbin indicates biodegradable. Tamil we can say makkum kupaigal. What about the red color?
Sir, non-biodegradable.
Okay, non-biodegradable. What are the examples of that non-biodegradable?
Plastics, any
All the plastic materials, glass. Okay, so now good, very good. Okay. Metals also. So my dear students, what are the disadvantages of non-biodegradable items? Just diagram.
So we put that plastic paper in soil means the rainy season, if the rain will didn't go
Percolate
in the soil.
Okay, then affect the environment. So see now very good. So the bacteria and fungi cannot get decomposed process. Understood? Decompose the process. That is why our government of India and government of Tamil Nadu given clear instruction, create awareness to all the people, use biodegradable items. So wherever you go, wherever you purchase anything, okay, use cloth bags. So that will decompose by bacteria and fungi. If you are using plastic paper, all the metals, okay, that cannot decompose by bacteria and fungi. Ganga clearly mentioned the rainwater cannot percolate inside the ground. So rainfall is erratic in nature. Okay, once the rainfall enters in the ground, so water table level will increase. Okay, if you are using biodegradable items, that can decompose by bacteria. So that is why our government of India, government of Tamil Nadu, much more importance to the biodegradable item. And one more very important information, that biodegradable waste does not affect our environment. Understood? Okay. So what the dead plants and animals and paper cannot broken down. Broken down by the bacteria and fungi. The term is saprotroph. Okay. Then my dear student, what about the blue color?
Medical waste.
On the blue waste. And we That medical, what are the exams of that medical waste? Yes. Then cotton.
Tablets.
Good. Tablet.
Bandage.
Very good, very good. Okay.
Bandage.
Okay. So my dear, listen to me carefully. Very, very important. The disease transmission from one person to another person through air, through water, through animals. Communicable disease. Sometimes, okay, you know the disease transmission from infected person to healthy person. Okay, for example, cough, sneezing, immunity transmission. Okay, you know the my dear, the term pathogen, that means disease caused microorganism. Disease caused microorganism. Easily transmission through air, through water, through animals. So that is why we should remove all the medical wastes in proper manner. How we dispose the all medical wastes? That incineration. Incineration means collect all the medical wastes. Okay, one particular place. Okay, that place should be but does not affect the water. Take your fire. Actually, what is happening in the hospital? Blood pus, furious pus. Salam blood pus. All the the spoon is that medical practitioners use of cotton. Okay, contain all the harmful microorganisms. So that is why. Okay, then incineration. That means burning. So all the microbes are destroyed. All the harmful microbes are destroyed. This is the one type of remove or disposal of medical wastes. Are you able to understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, my dear sir. Waste should be removed in proper manner. So three categories of three classification of that. What shall I say that? Waste materials we should remove. One is biodegradable and another one is non-biodegradable medical. Understood? Okay. So which one does not affect our environment? Which category of the waste?
Biodegradable.
Biodegradable. What are the microorganisms plays a vital role for the biodegradable process? Bacteria. Bacteria and fungi. Can we see through our naked eye?
No, sir.
Only see
Microscope.
So my dear students, this also that bacteria and fungi are so called that scavenger. Cleaning our environment. Which one? Cleaning our environment. Eat the dead plants and animals. Decaying the dead plants and animals. That humus, that is organic material. Difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Who can tell the answer? Difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Simple.
So biodegradable means it will be decomposed easily, sir. Non-biodegradable means it should not be decomposed. Non-biodegradable it affects our environment, but biodegradable is not affect our environment.
Very good. Clap for the examples.
Injection, cotton, then waste get on bottles.
Understood? Okay, that should be incineration. Incineration should be banned and take fire. Understood? Okay? Create awareness. Use carry cotton cloth bags. Okay? What are the benefits of that? If you are using cloth or cotton bag instead of plastic bag, what are the benefits of that? Using cloth bags. அதனால என்ன நன்மைகள்? நம்ம மஞ்சள் பை துணி பை எல்லாம் கொண்டு போறதால நமக்கு என்ன நன்மை? What are the advantages of that?
So it can be decomposed easily.
Very good. That means decompose easily. Bacteria and fungi decompose. Instead of we are using plastic, carrying plastic bag, what will happen?
Sir, it cannot be decomposed.
That cannot decompose to microorganism. Then one more, rain. Actually, if the surface of the soil, affect the top side, students. Affect the top side which contains the major nutrients, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, NPK. Understood? The top side. If you are using plastic bags, everything that cannot decompose process, that cannot the inorganic money cannot convert into organic money. Understood? Then rainwater cannot percolate into the soil. Understood? That groundwater level, water table level will, if you are using plastic bag, increase the water table level or decrease the water table level. How do you say? How do you say? Very good. So, India's agriculture base that we know. Okay. So, my dear friends, we create awareness to the people. Use cotton plants. Okay. That is directly benefit to the farmers. If the water table level increase means, what are the benefits to the farmers? Very good, very good. Okay, there is no water scarcity. Okay, the farmers that engage that, shall I say, very much interest in involvement of all the crop cultivation practices. Understood? Good. Thank you, my dear friends. Any other doubt in this area? Any clarification regarding biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and medical gases? Okay, I will summarize this one. Green color indicate biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Red color indicate all the medical waste.
Blue color.
Understood? So we should put in the category. So classification 3 categories. Understood? In our school campus also. Okay. In future, what we will do? So all the biodegradable put in the dustbin. Which color? Green color. All the non-biodegradable waste put in the
Red color dustbin.
medical waste put in the
Blue color dustbin.
Let's do
Let's go.
educate